Yes, 99.6 Radio Al-Markaz, Sahabat Al-Markaz, wherever you are. And of course, yes, today we are back at Bemci Corner English Discussion, British English Meeting Club Indonesia, of course, with Radio Al-Markaz. And yeah, as usually every Friday at 4 until 5 p.m., of course, we are here. And how is it going? How are you guys? Yeah, Radio. Hi guys, good afternoon. How are you? How's it going? How are you?
We're fine.
Very fine.
Yes.
Yes, what about you?
I'm doing great.
Okay, I'm doing great. You?
Very well, Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, very well. Very well, but not very well party.
Oh, no, no, no,
Very
no,
well.
no.
It sounds like
It's
that.
different.
Yes, okay. I would like to start, yeah,
Mhm.
from you. What is your name? Where do you live? What is your activity? What is your role at BEMC? Please.
Okay. Thank you. Hello, Sahabat Al-Markaz. My name is Nurul. I'm an active participant here, and I live in Makassar.
Where exactly location in Makassar?
Oh, the exact location.
What street?
What street? It's
Yes.
around Sultan Alauddin.
Sultan Alauddin. Okay. What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading,
Mm-hmm.
reading books,
Okay.
and like comic also,
Mm-hmm.
and all the writings about universe.
Universe?
Yes, I mean about the world.
Okay. Alam semesta.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
What is your role at BEMSIM?
My role is I'm an active participant here.
How do you think about BEMSIM?
Bemci is really good community to speak English
Okay.
because this community always held a meeting every week, like on Friday and Sunday, and also they are meeting online and offline.
Mm-hmm. Not
And
only
we can
online, not only online, not only offline. We have also
yes,
podcast.
oh yeah, we do it right now.
Okay, thank you. I will back to you. Thank
you.
you, Nurul.
Yes.
Okay, next. Okay, the black one. You in the middle. Please introduce yourself. What is your name? Where do you live? What is your activity? What is your hobby?
Okay. Hello, everybody. So my name is Sarjit Ibn Qayyim, and you may call me Ito.
Mm-hmm.
And my hobby is also reading.
Okay.
And I also live in Makassar,
Loading.
to be specifically Loudon, yeah.
Same, yeah. Okay, okay. So, what is your role at Bemsim?
Well, my role is supervising.
Mm-hmm. Advisor, you mean?
Yeah, advisor. I'm sorry.
Also.
So my job is
Uh-huh.
by giving some advices.
Uh-huh.
So when everything maybe goes wrong, I don't
Uh-huh.
know.
So, how do you think about the BEMC program?
Well, I think it is very good program because we are focusing out how to speak in English,
Mm-hmm.
and more importantly about how to speak in public, like what we are doing right now.
Okay.
Is it public?
Yes,
Of course.
yes. This is public speaking because everyone is, yeah,
Yeah.
listen us, watch us.
Everybody looking at us.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
So excellent.
I like it.
Yeah, of course. You like it. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'll be back to you. Okay, what about you, please? Yeah, it's not familiar. This guy is not familiar, right?
Hello, sahabat Al-Markaz. Well, my name is Ismail,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm originally from Maros, but I live in Boron Raya. And my activity now, I'm a student at
Maros or Pangkep?
Maros.
Not Pangkep.
No, Pangkep.
Oh, really?
It's nearby from Pangkep.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
But as I mentioned before, I'm a student. I study at Islamic University of Alauddin Makassar,
Mm-hmm.
and my role at Bemci is as a leader
Mm-hmm.
and who manage the members and run the activity in Bemci.
Okay, so how do you think your personal opinion about your community?
Well, BMC is one of the community who, how to say, menyediakan, how to say, provide the place to improve our skills, especially for speaking skill.
Mm-hmm.
And when I at the first when I joined in BMC, I feel I find my confidence to speak front of the public, and like this I could speak front of the camera and with my friends and etc. And I think BMC is the great place to improve my English skill.
Okay. Thank you. Give a applause. Yes. Okay. Before we are going to talking about topic, of course, we would like to. I want to check your spirit, guys, by our tagline. As usually, if I say Bemsi, you answer it, right? Okay. One, two, three. Bemsi. More fun, more confidence,
Confidence,
more
more
impact.
impact.
Once again, Bemsi. More
More
fun,
fun,
more
more
confidence.
confidence, more
Impact.
impact.
Yes, giving applause. Okay, again, you for the
Yeah.
first speaker.
Okay.
So this is your second time, right? Okay. Why do you like it? I mean, visit or come or receive the invitation
To
to
join.
attend here. Did you
Mm.
not bored or yes?
Actually, I really like to try new things
Mm-hmm.
like this. This is new for me,
Mm-hmm.
so I'm still excited
Mm-hmm.
to do this.
So it sounds like
And because we can speak in English also,
mm,
I like to talk.
it sounds like durian runtuh.
My God, maybe.
Because you never do this, right?
Yes,
It's your first
never.
time in your whole life, right?
Mhm.
Uh-huh. So, what is your expectation to another people who want to be next speaker here?
My expectation for another people, I hope that they can join here and like we have turn, so we have to have a turn here.
Mhm.
So people will not bored also to see the same face in front of the camera.
Mhm.
So and I want to persuade people that this is fun
Mhm.
to speak in English.
This is not
And
scary, yeah?
yeah, it's not
Uh,
scary.
no,
Enjoy,
yeah, oftenly
guys.
people's always, oh my, I cannot, oh don't, I don't want.
Yeah, sometimes people before they face the situation, um, their mindset is like feeling afraid, thinking afraid, worried to see by the
Mm.
people.
Okay, so how do you think about the unique topic? This is funny, this is unique, this is maybe di luar Nurul or I don't know.
Buat namaku ya.
Yes, yeah, di luar Nurul. How do you think about the topic itself?
But the topic, I think, indeed, it's unique.
Indeed,
Hmm.
yes.
But I like to talk everything actually, so
Ah,
it doesn't matter.
it doesn't matter. So indeed, it doesn't matter.
Yeah,
This is
just
very
talk
interesting.
everything.
Okay. And yeah, guys, sahabat Amarkas, wherever you're, I forget something. Our topic for today is talking about boss. Yeah, giving applause. Thank you, Nurul. We will be back to you. Okay,
Yes.
next again, you. So this is your second time, right?
Yes.
So what will different in this episode for your perspective than before you come here?
Well, I feel slightly different because it's a good chance to be here
Mm-hmm.
as a common people. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
common people wants to be famous. I mean, it is a chance.
Uh-huh.
Even we're not like the level on celebrities, but
Uh-huh.
at least as a common people, we have to be proud to be here,
Yes.
right? And maybe perhaps it's like a grassroots approach,
Uh-huh.
like
Sorry, crush.
grassroots.
Oh, grassroots.
Yeah, because we are commoner, we are society.
Mhm.
So being here is very laudable. Right?
So back to the topic. What is your personal opinion about the topic? Is this topic weird or unique or awesome or so or what?
I think the topic is nonsense, yeah, because
Nonsense. Why? Why nonsense?
because we are talking about ghost.
Uh-huh.
I mean, ghosts.
Uh-huh.
Mostly people believe that scientifically it can be, doesn't exist,
Uh-huh.
right?
Okay. Okay, keep your statement. We will talking about it. We'll discuss about this. Okay, thank you. So yeah, this is your second time, right?
Third times.
Really? No, I mean
Yes.
in this podcast. This is your second time.
No, third times.
Trust? Are
Yeah.
you sure?
Yes,
Are you
because
sure?
the
What is the second?
second is talking about with Kaalam and with Naufal also. Do you remember?
No. First is
I don't know.
the first episode.
The first episode.
Yes, I know. The first episode
Mm,
is first perdana. Yes,
uh.
and the second is what is the topic of the second?
I forgot.
No, this is the second, right?
I don't know. I
Okay,
forgot.
forget it,
Never
forget
mind.
it. Yeah, so this is a few times.
Yeah.
What is the different you feel or it will be? What the different?
Maybe the difference. Yeah. My partner speaker.
Uh-huh.
And also my position.
Okay.
Usually, I always
In the
sit
middle?
in the middle or
Uh-huh.
nearby Sam.
Ah.
Yeah, maybe that's
Okay. So how do you think your personal opinion about our topic?
well. This topic
Funny?
is funny and
Screamy?
and maybe scary, but
Scary?
because if we hang out together at midnight with my friend, I always talk about something like gosh, and and after talking, my friend scared to come back to their home. Yeah,
It
and
was your how to say
so
your
sometimes
childhood. No, until now.
until now,
Until
even because I join some organization like Scoot, like Himpunan and like Bemci. If we
okay.
hang out together with our friends, sometimes we talking about like gods or anything that's to fill the time.
So this topic is funny or weird
Nonsense.
or
Very nonsense. But I like this topic. I like
you
it.
like this topic?
Yes,
The essence, now the conclusion, your opinion, one word or two word.
amazing.
That's just amazing and indeed, yeah, no problem. Okay, thank you. Give it a plus first. Okay, we enter into the question. Yeah, start from you. Talking about ghosts.
Mm,
So, in your culture, maybe in Maros
yeah,
or in South Sulawesi, which uh, which ghost in the legend you know?
lost in the legend, especially
Yes.
in my hometown or where.
Yeah, in your hometown in Makassar, South Sulawesi.
Oh, I don't know, but I just
Is your Genzi?
yeah, that's it. But my teacher have told me the history, the
Uh-huh.
scary history like Kuyang. I just know Kuyang because in my hometown there was like Kuyang also.
Mhm.
Uh, my teacher told me the uh Kuyang is just how to say
Kuyang
just his
is
head and
yeah, yes, yeah.
organ and why
Organ what? Organ tunggal?
organ. I don't know how to say, but yeah, because my teacher told me when I was a kid,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
how to say when we go to recite the Quran in we how to say stay at our teacher home,
Mhm.
and sometimes we talk each other and our teacher tell
Mhm.
us the history like scary history.
Mhm.
I just remember Kuya.
Kuyang.
Yeah.
Okay. Not is kuyang dulu,
Nah,
bukanlah yang
it's a song.
sekarang. Lambat banget sih ketawanya. Gimana sih?
Alright.
What about you? In when you was child in your childhood, which one? What kind of ghost is legendary?
I think one of maybe the forgotten one is Popo.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
oh, like this. Not okay.
Yeah,
Different.
I think so. It's like Korean,
Same.
Yeah.
Same.
It's the
Yes.
but based on
Yes.
the
Yes.
folklore,
Yeah.
folklore, yeah,
Yeah.
it is about hunting children
Mm-hmm. Pusar.
after Maghrib, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So better to keep your children inside
Mm-hmm.
because when the Maghrib is starting, they're hunting and they're.
In Takalar.
I mean,
Because you come from Takalar, right? You come from Maros, right? From Takalar, yeah.
but it is just only like a legends, yeah, like
Uh-huh.
like folklore, yeah.
Folk. It sounds difficult to
Yeah,
pronounce.
it sounds.
Folklore, yeah.
Yeah, it sounds so difficult to pronunciation.
Folklore. Folk.
So yeah, it's hunting blood,
Oh
and
my God.
I think it is one of like they have a really good reasons why they
Mhm.
exist. Maybe it is like a warning, yeah.
Mhm.
So the children cannot play.
Mhm. So maybe you have experience or your friend have experience about face of Popo or your maybe neighbor in your was
Mm,
childhood.
if based on my personal experience, I ever saw kuntilanak when I was a child.
Uh,
That kunti is.
but you cannot remember now how the shape house.
I remember,
Still
but not in detail. Yeah,
okay.
only far away from my, like an ally, lorong. Yeah, an
Uh-huh.
ally.
Sorry, an ally?
Yes,
How do we spell it? Ally?
It's not ally.
How do we spell ally?
or we can say like a gang. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
inside the
Okay.
gang, we can.
Uh-huh.
It's very far away from me, and that kuntilanak starting, to
More
follow
close.
me,
Okay.
but flying like a zigzag.
But you oh my god, it's 6 6.
So that creature,
Okay,
That's
okay.
new
It's
for me to
it's
hear
it's
zigzag flying of
it's interest.
Kuntilanak.
It's interest. It sounds interest. And
that creature didn't. I mean, didn't have legs.
Mhm.
So just like a flying toward me, and I was like elementary school.
What her dress?
Of course, not batik, yeah.
Sometimes ghosts wearing traditional. See, sorry, like baju bodo. Yeah, there is a like legend of ghosts of wearing baju bodo, and they how to yeah, you know that's sorry. They wearing maybe the white. How to say the white baju polos putih, yeah, something like that, and etc. Sometimes.
And after that, I got like a goosebumps,
Oh my god.
goosebumps,
Mm.
and also like a cold sweating,
Mhm,
keluar keringat dingin gitu. I mean, I was a child, and it was really a shocking experience.
Okay.
But until now, I didn't believe that such a thing exists. Yeah,
Okay.
because ghost doesn't exist, and it doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Even flying toward me, even I saw it
Maybe
in
ghost
front of
is
my
doesn't
face.
exist, but pasta monster is exist.
Come on,
Okay.
stop it.
Keep your statement. Keep your statement. Okay. So what about you? Maybe which one is what kind of ghost you have maybe you have experience when you was child or legendary in your around in your hometown.
Think I never saw a ghost, but I
You
can
never
feel them.
I can feel them.
Hmm.
Okay. When you have experience.
I have the experience maybe since many years ago.
Okay, keep your statement. Yeah, we will be back after this. Don't go anywhere. Sahabat Amarkas, wherever you are. Always, yeah, stay tuned on 99.6 in Radio Amarkas at Bemci, British English Meeting Club Indonesia, English Corner. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
For a while.
Nonsense, yeah, ghost.
Yes, we are back. Of course. One, two, one, two, three. Bemci. More fun, more confidence, more impact. Yes, Bemci. More fun, more confidence, more impact. Hey, giving applause. Yes, continue your statement, your explanation about the kind of ghosts you maybe have ever experienced about it and something like that. Okay.
Okay, before I continue, I want to what is the definition of ghost actually? That our friend said that one is nonsense and one amazing, right, like that. But if the ghost that we mean, it is come from the mindset of the people.
Mhm.
Actually, there's nothing like that.
Mm.
There's no ghost.
Mhm.
But because many people talk about the ghost
Mhm.
and about the appearance, maybe about the character of the ghost.
Mm.
So it is a social mindset maybe.
Mhm.
So people like hypnotic
Mhm.
terhipnotis dengan secara tidak langsung unconsciousness.
Hypnotic,
Mhm.
like IDP
What is IDP?
in the Dewi Pertiwi.
That's
No
no.
education lembaga ya.
No. But in Islam, we know that there is jinn, right?
Mhm.
That have a different that we cannot see them, but they can see us, and we just can feel them.
Mhm.
If the ghost that we mean is refer to jinn,
Mm.
um, it is like maybe I can feel that sometimes, or I want to tell you like this: the mindset of the society about the ghost,
Mhm.
it is shaped,
Mm.
right?
Mhm.
And it is shaped and then make a new energy,
Mhm.
which is the energy is the gene itself.
Mhm.
So the gene become the ghost that people talk.
Mhm. Mhm.
And when we come to a place, we feel something different. We feel something uncomfortable.
Mhm.
I mean, I feel, yeah,
Mhm.
from my experience. So I can say that I can feel them, but I cannot see them.
Mhm.
And the signs when I feel them is like the first in my feeling come to a place,
Mhm.
like there is a feeling of uncomfortable.
Okay, so back to question: when you face or when you feel weird or feel the energy about that we call ghost.
It is maybe around uh 2019 or maybe.
2019,
Uh-huh.
19 before COVID.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Maybe it is
So
because
she,
try
oh, the ghost is she or he?
can't see.
Yeah.
Mm. I mean, I just
So you
feel
just feel
keberadaan, how to say?
exist,
Mhm.
Existence.
The
existence.
existence.
Uh-huh.
So it is not detail. I don't know which is that woman or man.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next, my question talking about ghosts. Yeah, sometimes this culture to be like industry. Yes, like movie,
Mhm.
cinetron. How to say in English? Cinetron, cinema electronic. Yeah, cinema electronic. Yes, FTV, horror movie, and something like that. Talking whatever you believe or not.
Mm.
So, kind about the industry, especially for films about the industry. Yeah. So, you what kind of movie or ghost movie you like it and why?
Okay, well, I have one favorite movie from Malaysia. It's called how no, what's it? Um, Munafik.
Munafik.
Ah,
Yeah.
I like
The how to say the woman he have like wearing
yeah.
no talcum.
Talcum.
Yes.
His eyes like
Uh-huh.
boy,
Uh,
that's scary. That was a scary movie I've
uh-huh.
ever seen, and I like that movie because the how to say the action, his acting and his face is like scary for me.
Mm.
But
Like real.
yeah, it's like real. But sometime because at the time when I watched that movie, I was in. Once again, I still at junior high school, and uh, our friend tell us to made me to quarantine,
Mm.
and so that that movie is will my that movie is my favorite movie, scare movie.
Okay. So the ghost is come from Malaysia. That is the one of best horror movie or ghost movie you like it, right?
Yes.
Okay, because it seems like real.
Yeah. Seems like realistic.
Okay, thank you. So you again, uh, yeah, the same questions. You
Mhm.
know, like this talking about ghosts, whatever you believe or not. But in the industry,
Mhm.
they're realizing to create movie, FTV, cinema, electronic about ghosts. So, what kind of movie ghost or horror movie you like it and why?
It's a movie from West.
Movie from was
Annabelle.
Annabelle.
Yes.
Why? Why Annabelle?
Because it is very different with the horror from Indonesia. Because also I think that the horror movie of Indonesia is very scary.
Really? Then West.
Yes.
Okay.
For if we talk about the West horror movie,
Mm.
maybe the the character of the movie is just like the like that. The music, the music, the
Mhm.
music.
But
Then
Indonesia?
only the music make us surprised.
But Indonesia?
But Indonesia, that is it. The ghost is really really scary.
Huh.
For me, I cannot
Mhm.
I cannot handle my feeling to I can imagine myself to watch it because I can how to say like after watching maybe I can imagine again
Mm.
the ghost.
Kebawa mimpi.
Not 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 until the dream, but I
You
mean
always
always
remember
like remember and
wherever you were.
yes, yes, because I really, sometimes my thought cannot stop to thinking. Yes, so I anticipate. I do a preventive, so I don't want to watch it.
Okay. Keep your statement. Okay, back to you. So the same question. This is a culture. You're talking about ghosts, but sometimes the industry create film, horror film, something like that. And which one horror movie or ghost movie you like it and why?
Well, I have a bunch of favorite horror movies.
Bunch.
Some of
Which one?
many,
Tell
many,
me.
a
Tell me.
lot. But most of them from West, like Hereditary. Do you know Hereditary?
Hereditary.
The Witch, and
The
also
Witch.
the recent horror movie Backrooms.
Backrooms. What about Bangsal 13?
But but when we are talking about Indonesian horror movies, I also take interest in Joko Anwar's movies
What is that?
like Pengabdi Setan. I mean, it is nonsense where
This is old movie actually, but the creator remake
yeah
Pengabdi
remake.
Setan, right?
I know.
Uh-huh.
I mean, it's very funny to see how like Ustad yeah being
Mhm.
yeah being defeated by
Mhm.
by by a ghost.
Mhm.
Yeah, I mean
Uh,
it is funny though, but
uh-huh.
I feel like it is the Joko Anwar's movies are totally different among Indonesian horror movies because when for example when our friends being chased by a ghost,
Mhm.
we tend to see
Mhm.
only to watch them, yeah. So we can see on the camera that the main character only see her or his friend
Mhm.
being chased by the ghost instead of helping.
Mhm.
You know what I mean, right? I mean,
Yeah.
we just only watching without doing any effort.
Uh-huh.
So it's so totally different when we are talking about, like in Joko Anwar's movies, yeah, because they have a like a more goosebumps, and they have a really like tidy concept.
Mhm.
So maybe guys,
Okay.
I really recommend
Yeah, yeah.
Joko Anwar's
Listen, Sahabat Al-Markaz.
Joko Anwar's movies. Yeah.
Don't
Okay.
forget to watch.
Okay, thank you. Okay, my next question is, but how do we translate in English? My question is, do you believe, guys, anak kecil disembunyi setan? How to say? I'm sure that you guys always listen about this, right?
Yes.
So, how do you think about that phenomena? Anak kecil disembunyi setan.
Okay.
Besoknya baru muncul kembali. How do you call this phenomena? Okay, please answer.
Well, okay. I have a friend
Mhm.
that experienced the how to
Mm.
say, what did you say before?
Disembunyi setan.
Disembunyi
I don't know
setan.
in English.
Yeah,
Uh,
Stealing, yeah, stealing.
just stealing from
Curi.
by ghost, stolen by ghost.
Stolen by ghost. Okay, stolen by ghost.
My friend, I don't really trust my friend because yes, when we are a child,
Mhm.
he told me that when he stole by ghost, he walked alone
Mhm.
to go how to say hutan, I forgot it, forest, into the
Mhm.
forest.
Mhm.
And in our society took the how to say punchy,
Mhm.
and they hit the punch
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
to make my friend realize.
Mm.
Mm.
Oh.
I just know that
Your
culture.
friend,
Yeah.
your neighbor.
Yes, but
Okay.
there is a one phenomenon in my hometown. Maybe it happened.
So when when he was founded,
No, nobody found it, but
huh?
he suddenly
Ah, appear.
appear. I mean, like sadar. How to say? Tersadarkan diri. Yeah, awake,
uh.
and he suddenly wake to his
Maybe only dream, but solid by.
Or
because
maybe
we
just
always play.
sleeping.
Yes.
I mean, yes. When we play like how to say petak umpang in English,
Yeah, petak
hide and seek.
like Agnes Muso, hide and seek.
Yeah. He didn't realize he ran away from his home, and yeah, because we play at the time, and suddenly my friend lost from
Mhm.
our place, and he didn't realize that he walked into the forest,
Mm.
and until we looking for his until they until he's awake and run to come back to his home.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I think this is your experience. Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you? How do you think about this stolen by ghosts?
I think,
Especially in Tagalog, maybe.
Yeah.
well, I still don't believe in any ghosts, yeah, because,
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
but if we are talking about believing, I do believe that some energy from the past, yeah.
Mhm, mhm,
I mean, like some of Nunggu, yeah, maybe
mhm.
from the person in the past, try to communicate with us that cannot understand by the
Oh,
adults.
penunggu. Who is their weight?
I mean, maybe we can call like spirit, yeah,
Oh, yeah,
like
yeah,
like spirits.
yeah.
I mean, yeah, Nunggu.
Spirit soul?
I mean, like the people in the past try to communicate with the people around them. I mean, it's totally different
Yes,
generation, right?
yes. Different entity. Yes.
And maybe they try to communicate and only can be understood by children.
Mm, mm.
That is why they try to lead them into somewhere.
So if this not happen, like ghost stolen by ghost, how this happened at the children, at the kids. I mean, not children, at the kids. How this happened? Because the society said this is stolen by ghosts. So how could it be this happened?
Maybe they are because they are innocent. Yeah, do you know innocent?
Mm.
And by being
The
innocent,
innocence splash.
innocent follows. Yeah,
Yes.
without sin,
Mhm.
they are still innocent, and they can still see something that we cannot see.
Mhm.
That's why most of the young children can see ghosts,
Mhm.
can see kuntilanak like
Mhm.
me in the past because I'm innocent. I was innocent. Yeah.
Mhm. Still innocent. Okay, continue, continue.
So yeah, maybe the people in the past try to communicate
Uh,
with us, but only fail. Yeah, fail to communicate with adults. So instead, they try to talk to the children
mhm.
and take them maybe something or somewhere that used to be their home.
Mhm.
It can be jungle,
Mhm.
like
Maybe the kids only lelah maybe ya
maybe they are
kecapean.
they are
Yeah.
too tired. But I
Yeah.
still believe that
Uh-huh.
they are innocent. Yeah,
Mhm.
without sin.
So the point is, stolen by ghosts is.
The stolen by the ghost is just only about try to communicate with the children or try to communicate with us, the
Mhm.
people right now.
Mhm. And they had to say tersesat.
They get lost,
Yeah, get lost, right?
get lost in the jungle.
Mhm.
But it's like unfinished business
Mhm. Mhm.
because it is a ghost.
Mm.
It's impossible to talk like a normal person,
Okay.
right?
Okay, okay, I get the point. Thank you. Keep your statement. So, what about you? Uh, how do you think about this phenomena in around the society called that this is stolen by ghosts? You know this phenomena, right?
Yes.
Familiar for you, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Um, if the kids like that, maybe we can say that it is stolen by the jinn because you
Okay.
said that ghost is nonsense,
Mhm.
right? So the children is stolen by the jinn, and we cannot see them. And like our brother said
So,
before,
who is the name of the
there's
jinn?
the name of the jinn. I don't know.
Stolen by kids. Uh-huh.
Yes, and
Yeah, yeah.
yes, so I just saw the news about it.
Uh-huh.
So sometimes I am familiar to heard about it, and I think it is maybe really
But
happened.
why the kids it's selected to
Oh,
lost?
why it must be children only that they stole?
Mhm.
Um,
Especially at the village, not in the town.
at the village, maybe because only the children can see them clearly.
Okay.
Maybe any adult people can see them, but it's not much. But most of children can see them because the children is like an angel, right? I mean, can see what we cannot
They
see.
have a wings. They can.
No, of course, no.
They are innocent. Yeah.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
still innocence, and maybe there's something that people or maybe society
So,
in a place
okay.
have a wrong, maybe bad attitude to the nature there.
Bad
So
attitude to the
they
nature.
do that to
Mhm.
tell the people, tell the society that hey, you do something something wrong,
Mhm.
and you have to repair. I mean, like maybe the goals is to make people more, to make society more care to the nature,
Mhm.
to care to the nature, and also not make the nature or the jungle break.
Okay, keep your statement and give big applause first, guys. Okay, sahabat Al-Markas, wherever you are, stay tuned, of course, with us here in 99.6 Radio Al-Markas at BMC English program.
Yes, again, good afternoon, guys. Sahabat Markas, wherever you are, we are back here at Bemci Corner English Discussion, of course. Yes, Bemci. More fun, more confidence, more impact. Yes, giving applause. Yes, okay. We move to the next question. You've done right with your statement.
Yes,
Okay.
I've done.
Okay. I've done. I've done. Yes. Yes, we are still, of course, Sahabat Americas, wherever you are, 99.6. And the topic is talking about ghosts. Yes, talking about ghosts. This is funny because, in our religion, only believe with jinn. But in my wild assumption, that but this is actually how to say very funny because jinn in our religion only jinn, not jinni or jinni, yeah, not jinn and jun, no.
No.
But ghosts in all of the world is always different. Based on the country, based on the city. The ghosts, yeah, live in Holland. Of course, they're wearing like Holland people. If yes,
Heels, using
yeah,
heels.
the ghosts live in South Sulawesi. Sometimes they appears wearing a baju bodoh. If the ghosts live in China, they using like traditional Chinese. The ghosts live in Arab. They looks like Arab. So how could it be? Because jinn only one, jinn only jinn. But ghosts, oh my God, we cannot counting how many ghosts, uh, how many kinds of ghosts. But in jinn, only one. Jinn only jinn, something like that. So how do you think it? How do you think about this? How to say? Is this phenomena or what? Eh, How do you think about this?
Maybe Jin has nationality.
That's why. That's why. Huh.
Well, if I want to take it seriously, I guess when human die, yeah,
Uh,
our substance to be evaporated,
mm,
and it doesn't just gone or missing.
mhm,
They contribute to the nature,
mhm. To be
and
minerals.
uh,
To be.
yeah, can be minerals, can be soil,
Yes, yes, yes.
but more of it maybe can be an energy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And
Because
there is something strange, yeah,
mm,
because when we are talking about energy, it can be there is a life.
law of energy, ya, hukum kekekalan energi, ya.
Yeah, I mean there is a life, yeah, that maybe potentially can be alive.
Mhm.
So a living creature can be called like that, like a gene, yeah.
Mhm.
So when we die, our atoms doesn't go anywhere. It just contribute to
Just
everything.
change to another
Yeah.
material.
Yes, of
Right?
course.
Hukum kekekalan energi.
So maybe that is, if I want to take it seriously,
Mhm.
it is only the only thing that makes sense. Yeah.
Mm.
If we are talking about
So if
ghosts.
the ghost want to go to Sudan, are they need passport or visa?
Maybe. I mean, that,
Maybe.
that is the reason, yeah. The reason why the ghost has nationality.
Yes, yes, yes.
Because, when we die there, in one place,
Uh,
right?
uh,
In one area. That is why when you go to Netherlands, the ghost wearing like the Netherlands
yeah.
Netherlands clothes.
Yes, yes. So the point is, ghost has nationality. Thank you. What do you? So how do you think about this happen? This funny. You get the point, right?
Can you what is the question again?
The question is, if we move to the another area, the ghost is also changed. The kind of ghost is changed also. But in our religion, ghost is only jin, yeah,
Mhm.
yang menyamar jadi setan atau
Yeah.
hantu. So how do you think about it?
Yeah, well, this is funny because each place has a different type of ghost.
Yeah.
Like kuntilanak, in especially in maybe in Kalimantan is famous is
Pontianak.
Kalimantan
Yeah.
is famous kuyang.
Tila. Goyang dulu.
No, no, no.
Goyang sekarang, right?
And maybe in Java is famous like
Genderuwo, buto ijo.
Genderuwo, and yeah, so
Tanam
many
meweng.
kind of ghosts.
Pontianak is
Pontianak is
kuntilanak.
Kuntilanak.
Oh,
Kuntilanak. Yes.
Kuntilanak, yeah.
Because come
Yes.
from Pontianak.
Alright,
The story, the history.
alright. And so I don't know. I have no clue, but this funny things because as you mentioned before that the in our religion is only jinn, but the reality there is so many kind of gods everywhere. Is
Yeah. Based on the city, based on the country,
based on the
based on the
place,
nationality.
and yes, then
Uh-huh.
yeah, that's all from my opinion.
Oh, I'm confused. Okay, so what about you? How did you get your point right?
Yes.
Please.
I think it may be like our brother said that it has nationality, but
Oh my god. Serious?
for me,
Uh-huh.
it may be following the culture,
Ah.
more following the culture of the place.
To go to the airplane?
Maybe in many places like us,
Mhm.
we just cannot see them. I mean
Mhm.
that they have activities like us. They have daily life like us, like that. But
Life, daily activity also.
mhm,
They have the
of
activity.
course,
Yes.
Okay, short.
Yeah.
Okay, make it short because we in the last session. What is your conclusion about our topic for this afternoon, please?
okay. For me, there is nothing about there's nothing about ghost that it is come from the mind. Maybe it just from the stressful people or frustration.
Uh-huh.
Yes, it is more. I mean, let's think logically before we think that it is jinn or something another like that.
Yeah.
So we can analyze ourselves to, I mean, to make ourselves more aware,
Mhm.
more logic, think logic, so we cannot influence. I mean, tidak terpengaruh from the gene that it is transformed to be ghost.
Okay, thank you. So make it short. What is your conclusion about our topic for this afternoon?
Well, ghosts can take different form, yeah.
Mhm.
Different from any things that we can see. Maybe they have nationality
Mhm.
because it's totally different, yeah. When we are talking about kuyang,
Mhm.
popo,
Mhm.
you name it, like a vampire in the Western, for example, yeah. And maybe, like our sister said before, that this is a chance to analyze
Mhm.
or to make us more aware about the nature.
Mhm.
And more importantly, I do believe that they want to communicate with us.
They won, yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay,
Okay.
so what about you? What is your conclusion about our topic for this afternoon?
Well, my conclusion about this topic today is yeah, ghost is exist, but ghost actually is a being to
Okay.
the gene. And the funny things is as Kak Ito mentioned that ghosts have a nationality and they have so many kind of ghosts. It's
Mm.
based on the culture maybe of
Uh-huh.
society.
Mhm.
Maybe that's all.
Okay, thank you guys. Give a applause for us. Once again, Bemci.
More fun, more confidence, more advice.
Yes, thank you so much, guys, for coming. Thank you, Ismail. Thank you, Ito. Thank you.
You're
And
welcome.
all for coming here. Yeah. See you, all guys, for the next episode. That's all, Sahabat Markas, wherever you are. Our English program, BMC Corner English Discussion at Radio Markas 99.6. Always watch and listen 99.6, especially in our program, BMC Corner English Discussion, every Friday at 4 until 5 p.m. See you for the next week. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Goodbye.